In this video, I will show you how to delete GitHub repository. Firstly, we need to go into GitHub repository we want to delete. In repository, you need to click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now, last option is Delete the repository. Click on the button. In pop-up, click on I want to delete the repository. In new pop-up again, press I have read and understand these effects. Now you have to type your profile name / repository name, or just copy this text and press delete this repository. Then you need to type your account password and press confirm button. And that's it, repository is deleted. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.